Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski with your week one screencast video. So as I mentioned in my orientation videos, um, also in the announcement here, each week I'll produce the screencast video which will cover the activities due that week. I'll also handle what I call housekeeping issues if there's anything regarding grading, tendencies and assignments, course corrections, or other points of interest that need to be pointed out to the class. I take care of that in the screencast video. So this week we're starting off a little slow here in the very first week. Discussion board activity is 1 and 2. Obviously the traditional icebreaker is the first discussion board. Then we move right into the introduction in the textbook. So just to remind everybody, the syllabus has now been posted in the course here. You may want to click on this and open it up, give it a good read, because the course policies and procedures are all stated in the syllabus. Grading is stated in the syllabus. I'm not going to go through this all that much here, but you can determine exactly how to best manage the course and your success there. Also, I've set up a separate item on the course menu for the schedule and due dates. Please note you have major assignments that will be, and when will they be due? They are denoted by the multiple asterisks there. So you might want to take a look at this item in the course menu just to plan your summer. All right. So like I said, we're going to begin with the discussion boards here, and I have the icebreaker forum. I'm giving you a couple of options to do this depending upon how adventurous you are. You can create a video of yourself addressing the icebreaker prompts, which are listed at the bottom of the post. Here, I offer you a link to Screencastify. It's a free Google extension. You can make me a video, or if you have some other software that you want to use to make a video of yourself, you can turn around and post that link or upload it to the discussion board post here. Just make sure everybody can see it. I'll check those often and remind everyone. Also, here are the prompts here, or I should say, I'm sorry, option number 2 is the traditional discussion board post if you want to write it. And then here are the prompts below. And remember, you have to respond to at least 3 classmates. This is the way we get to know each other in the asynchronous online class. I know discussion boards are a little worn out, but everybody views this as just busy work. I don't like responding. And believe me, I don't like reading responses that say, hey, I really like your post, it was a great thought, and then move on. I mean, I'm hoping to get some sort of engagement among the members of the course here. All right. Also, the second discussion board is due this week. It is about the introduction in the textbook, so you have to really pull together that textbook quickly. For your information, if we walk over to the weekly module here, the discussion board 2 is all about the theories of intelligence. You might be able to piece together that post by clicking on the PDF here. I have a copy of that article there, and also if you view here in the weekly module is the introduction lecture video. All right, I try to keep most of my videos between 3 to 5 minutes. Some may run a little longer. This screencast might run a tad longer than because it is the first week's. So just to get back to the announcements here, what we have is the information for you. Just to recap, the syllabus, which is a must read for everybody, because once again it really states those policies on how you will be graded and assessed in that particular document. The schedule and due dates, it'll be very helpful in planning out your summer and your workload. Remember, all the modules are here in the weekly modules, and then the discussion boards are due this week. So if you have any questions or issues, you can send me an email. Good luck this week.